Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we will look at the role of HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language which is transferred via HTTP protocol. We know that HTTP protocol is built on top of TCP/IP protocol. And the purpose of this HTTP protocol is to transfer the HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. In this course, we will use ASP.NET as the server-side language, which will generate the output in HTML format. So the server-side language is ASP.NET. And it generates the HTML from server side and sends it to the browser. So it's good to have basic understanding of HTML. Why? Because from ASP coding we will generate the HTML and we will send that to the browser. You can view our playlist shown in the right side. So here is the playlist. It is playlist 03 and the course name is Learn HTML5 Complete. The duty of the browser is to understand the HTML format and render the document in the browser window. So that's the duty of the browser. When HTML is generated by the ASP.NET or any other server-side language, we call that as DHTML. So DHTML stands for Dynamically Generated HTML. So the HTML will be transferred from one system to another system via the specialized TCP/IP protocol called HTTP protocol. And when that HTML is dynamically generated on the server side, we call that as DHTML. So that's what we need on the HTML side, and we have a separate course for HTML also. Thank you for watching. Bye.